TFT, Intelligent Full Touch User Interface, fully adapted to the user's needs and habits. Very simple to use for those who are not so good at cooking and also for those who are more professional. The user can select between 5 different menus: Professional Mode, Pro, Automatic Mode, Auto, My Mode, Extras, Settings. Pro Mode. In the Professional Mode, all settings are selected by the user. The user selects his or her own settings: heating system, oven temperature, cooking time. There are some additional settings: oven light, fast preheat, step mode, delayed start end time, minute minder. When all the parameters are set, just press the Start button. When the baking process is finished, the user can just end the program. If the user finds that those parameters were very good, giving excellent baking results, the parameters can be stored in My Mode by entering the recipe name. The user can also extend the baking time if the food is not finished yet. And then press Start. Step Mode for multi-phase cooking. This mode allows you to combine 3 different settings successively in a single cooking process. Choose different settings or cooking end time to prepare your food just the way you want it. First step. We would like to bake at 200 degrees with both sources of heat, upper and lower, for 30 minutes. Second step. We would like to switch on the big infra heater and set the temperature to 250 degrees for just 10 minutes. Third step. When the baking process is finished, the user can finish with the program, or if the parameters gave good baking results, they can be stored in My Mode under the recipe name. We would like to switch on the small upper heater and set the temperature to 220 degrees for just 5 minutes. Auto Mode. This mode offers a broad choice of preset recipes reviewed by professional chefs and nutrition experts. Especially handy for those who do not have a lot of cooking experience. The user selects from different types of food and dishes. For example, meat, fish and clams, vegetables, soufflés and au gratin, bread, pastry, frozen food, international dishes, quickies, slow baking, vita. If we choose meat, we have different types of meat, like beef, pork, poultry, lamb, ribs, game, chunks, and other meat. For example, we choose beef. There we have different dishes like braised beef roast. Here, preset values are displayed: quantity, where the user selects the weight of the meat; intensity, browning level; information as to which rack the user should use; heating sources that will be used, upper and lower heaters; and the temperature at which the dish will be baked. Duration of the baking time. The end time is displayed at the bottom. There are also some extras, such as the switch to turn the oven light on or off, to see the method and ingredients for the selected recipe. Description indicates equipment needed and preparation. Ingredients indicates ingredients needed to prepare braised beef roast. as well as information as to the baking pan that should be used and the level rack that should be used. And having read the description, the user can start the baking process. At the end of each selected cooking mode program, the user just finishes with the program or saves selected settings to the oven memory under the recipe or dish name, for example, Anna's beef. My mode. Saved recipes can be found in My mode. We saved Anna's beef. Extras. In this menu, the user selects the type of cleaning, aqua clean or pyro, warming, defrost, fast preheat, plate warming. Setting. In the setting menu, the user sets the general settings such as language, time, display, sound, and other.